Welcome to Nahid Kennedy. This 215-unit, 10-story building will be at the corner of Kennedy and St. Clair. The exact address is 615 Kennedy Road. Let's go inside and take a look at the presentation.
Welcome to Nahid Kennedy, located at 615 Kennedy Road, just north of St. Clair Avenue East. This beautiful 10-story building will have 215 total units, ranging from 490 square feet to just over 1,100 square feet. Amenities include 24 hours concierge, rooftop barbecue terrace and dining area and lounge. We have our guest suite, we have our pet wash station, we have a party room with our dining and lounge in the area as well too.
Nahid Kennedy, the major intersection is Kennedy Road in St. Clair. It's a very diverse and family-friendly neighborhood. It has an excellent transit score. So you have the Crosstown LRT, you have the GTC station, the GO train, along with the major artery, which is Kingston Road, and then the highways, so the DVP and the 401. So the features and finishes, every unit comes standard with 9-foot ceilings. Standard in the bathrooms, you have an oversized glass shower. The kitchens are very sleek and modern. There's integrated appliances. Undermount sinks are standard along with quartz or granite countertops. Every unit will either have a oversized balcony or a terrace, and then the flooring is a wide plank laminate. 5 reasons to buy Nahid Kennedy. Transit score 92 out of 100. So all residents will have access to the LRT and Kennedy GO station, which is literally minutes away to the north of us. Neighborhood, culturally diverse and family oriented. Access to downtown, whether you're using the DVP 401 or Kingston Road, they're all major arteries into the city and you're there in 15 minutes or less. Family-friendly area surrounded by community centers, recreational activities for children, and like Brittany mentioned, 10 minutes away from the UFT Scarborough campus. Green space nearby includes Scarborough Bluffs and Lake Ontario to the south of us, and lots of walking trails and parks.
To secure your suite today, contact us below at Urban Condo. Thank you.